Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today's video I'll be showing you how you can fix your Amazon payment revise issue on your Amazon app. If you're constantly facing payment revision statements such as revise your payment method or unable to proceed on, what you need to do is in this case first thing, so basically you need to open up your application. After that, on the web address bar, type in amazon.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, payment revision on Amazon typically refers to a situation where Amazon has encountered an issue with processing your payment for an order. Now, this happens for several reasons or variety of reasons. So what you need to do is the first step is you need to update your payment method. So for that, you need to go to your account or the profile icon right on top. After that, you'll be able to see this kind of interface. Right over here, you need to go ahead and click on your payments. If you have already added a payment, then so as you can see in my case, I've already added a payment. So what you have to do is basically on this case, you can update. You can just tap on add a new payment method. After that, you can add a new credit card and to make it as a default and use this particular card for a payment method. Apart from that, you can also check for the information that you provided for the credit card. If you have provided invalid or incorrect information or misspelled some information, then this might be one of the reason why you're able to not proceed on. Now check your information. After that, you can also verify your billing address. Make sure that the billing address you entered matches with the information on your credit card as well, or the payment method, and this might be able to fix the issue. However, apart from that, if none of these seems to be working, you can directly contact or get help of an expert. After that, you can just state about the issue and you'll be able to. In this way, you can fix your payment revision issue on Amazon app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.